Hello pumpkin people, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going back to JoAnn Fabrics to see what else they have put out for fall and Halloween 2021. Pricing is going to be in the bottom left hand corner of your screen in case you're wondering. Now let's get into it. Joanns is heavily focusing on pillows, it seems like. That's most of what is out. Hopefully there's a lot more to come, but there are some really nice ones. That leather one was super high quality, and they're going with this kind of dusty blue meets gray kind of a theme here. So you're gonna see a lot of that. And by the way, I get a lot of comments about the pricing of the different stores that I go to. Do they have coupons? Why is it so expensive? So on and so forth. At JoAnn Fabrics, their prices are high, but they offer really great sales. A lot of times you can get things for 60% off early on in the season. When it comes to the florals, they run promotions like buy one, get three free. So just hold out a couple more weeks and this stuff will definitely be on sale. So I am seeing some really nice pillows here. The price is high, like we just talked about, but they will come down. And just how beautiful are the colors that they're using this year. I am so obsessed with that burnt orange color, and I just think it's such a rich, warm, and inviting color to bring into your home during the fall season. This is an even deeper rust tone, and it is making my heart skip a beat. It is so gorgeous. And I am trying to show you guys the back of the pillows. I always look at what the back of my pillow looks like, just because if there is a plain side to it, then I think, okay, maybe I can flip this over and use it out of the fall season or whatever season I'm purchasing for at that time. So that's why I'm showing you the back. Now I really like the leaf print on this, but I'm not super wild about words on my decor. So Joann's did do a lot of that. They typically do, and all of the craft stores do. I'm hoping that next year they kind of catch on, that a lot of us are kind of not wanting to add any more of that to our home because a lot of us already have a lot of that. So I still love what I'm seeing, but just in case Joann's is watching, maybe less words next year. So of the wall art that they have, I think this one is the nicest, and there is a gold version we're gonna see later on that I like even more than that one. So I guess that's the second best one, and the gold one is the best one. But again, we're seeing that kind of dusty blue gray. I really like it paired with the fall colors. And we're seeing leather accents again. So I'm wondering if there may be more of a leather collection that we haven't seen yet. There are a few aisles at this store that are still full of summer and even spring. So I refuse to believe that this is all that Joann's is bringing out, because it's like an aisle, one aisle. So I'm hopeful that there's a lot more, because typically they have at least 2 or 3 aisles and then 2 or 3 aisles of Halloween. And we are going to see Halloween in the end of this video. But they do have these long signs. What does this one say? It's so good to be home, I think. I actually kind of like this one. I am kind of picky about these long signs. I don't personally have a place at my own home to put one of those, but I do like that one. And the Halloween one they have here is amazing, so I can't wait to show you that. This sign I'm trying to show you here, it has like a little slate rock across it. That was kind of a cool touch. They have this tray. It is very, very heavy and high quality. I really like the handles on it. They're very modern looking. So that's a nice, heavy, good quality, substantial piece. They have these tongs, I guess you would call them. I know you can get those on Amazon for super cheap, so don't get them here. And check out this gold tiered tray. I feel like this is the elevated, classy tiered tray of 2021. All right, so here is where things get good because we're gonna look at a bunch of pumpkins. These are all glass, and most of these light up. All of the glass ones light up, I think. So they have these orange ones this year. They come in the 2 sizes. They have fairy lights in the inside. That one wasn't working, so I'm showing you the larger one lit up. I have a pumpkin like this last year from Joann's, and sometimes I use the fairy lights, but I also like it just as much without. And this one here, these amber ones, they are more of a brown color, while the ones that I showed you previously are more of an orange color, just so you can get a color comparison here. This is the one that I have from last year. They're slightly different shapes this year, and I adore the little tiny squatty one. I kind of wish I would have waited to get this one instead of the one last year. Just the shape of it gets me, I don't know. And then they have this one that has the mercury glass and kind of like the chalk paint. Very pretty, would go well with like glam or farmhouse, whatever. I feel like that can honestly go with whatever style. They have a bunch of these fabric pumpkins. These orange ones come in 3 sizes. They have a little gold stem, so I think that's kind of a cute modern touch. They also come in all the same sizes but in white, and there's just a lot of different variations of these fabric pumpkins. This olive color is so pretty for fall, and I feel like stores don't put enough olive stuff out for the fall season, and I don't get it because it's just like one of the prettiest colors. There is another massive leather pillow. This is like a Euro size, I would say. Super nice, you guys. Very nice quality. The leather feels real. And the backside is kind of a faux wool felted kind of a look. It's sort of a mushroom taupe kind of a color. It's really nice, and the price is really high. I know you guys saw that. So this is a nice pillow too. I like this one because I feel like you can use it for really any of the colder weather seasons. And this says, "Oh my gourd, I love fall," with a little pumpkin on it. Haha. Very cute. They have this kind of random boho pillow here, which I feel like is kind of out of place because what's been boho so far? And also this dog pillow, don't get me wrong, I'm a crazy dog lady just as much as I'm a crazy pumpkin lady, but I was wondering where that came from. It wasn't really making sense. Oh, here is that gold version of that wall art. It says, "Time to get cozy." It's so pretty. It would have been better without the words though, in my opinion. So again, Joanns, if you're watching or listening, please do less words next year and I will buy everything. You can have my entire salary. So something worth writing home about are these wall sconces. At least I think that's what they are, but because they're wrapped up, It's a little bit hard to tell, but I think you would put a taper candle in there, and I just think this is a unique item that you don't normally see at a craft store. I've mentioned before how much I love the towels here. Look at how beautiful the colors on these are. They're very high quality. I'm usually able to get these for around $2.50 when they go on sale. So I'm eyeing a few of these. I would love to have that one with like the kind of vine print on it. Also this plaid one back here sort of looks like the plaid is painted on. There's just some really nice ones. They also have these vinyl tablecloths that are gorgeous. These would be so nice for Thanksgiving, whether it's on a kid's table to protect the table or your own dining table. They don't look like vinyl to me whatsoever. And then they have these, what should I call these? I guess kitchen textiles. It's like placemats, runners, hot pads, things like that in this really pretty print. It's that dusty blue with the fall leaves, and there's splatters of a shimmery, glittery gold that I don't think the camera is doing justice. Okay, so who's ready for Halloween? I am so pumped this year. We did not get to celebrate at my house last year. We didn't get to pass out candy. We didn't dress up. We didn't go anywhere. And I feel like I'm 2 years behind on Halloween, and I have so much making up to do. So I was just so excited to see this stuff. Right now, it's kind of cutesy things. I'm not seeing a lot of like the kind of creepier stuff that we've seen from Joann's before. But here's that welcome sign that I said was so cool. Wait for it. The vintage jack-o'-lanterns at the bottom. Well, I don't know that they're necessarily considered vintage, but they're just like a classic jack-o'-lantern look to them. I love them, but I don't have somewhere to put this, so I wish I did, but I don't. They also have these spooky light up trees. I did a terrible job filming this. I apologize, but they have this little 2-foot one that lights up. I think the lights are orange, and then they have these weeping willows in 4-foot and 6-foot, and these would be amazing on your porch Halloween night. The trick-or-treaters will love these. Here's those jack-o'-lanterns again. The sign is so vivid and punchy. I love that about it. They also have these little kind of box signs that would be good for, I don't know, a tiered tray or just any little small space. Check out this glittery pumpkin. It's super light. It's just made of styrofoam, and it has the really cool spider web with the spider on it. And then I love this cake stand. You would have to put like a plate on that if you wanted to put a cake on it, because it is just wire. There's no like glass on there or anything. It's not a solid top, just so you know. We have this little beaded boo sign, and At Home has this, and the At Home one is double-sided. The one here at Joann's is not, so I kind of say go for the At Home one. Plus I like the colors on the At Home one better. I was confused about what this is. This is an apron. It would be nice if we could see like it unfolded so we knew what it actually looked like, but it does say it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. And this pillow, it's so cute. It doesn't match anything in my home. I couldn't pull this off in my house, but I'm like a kid right now because I don't know, I love this stuff. The jack-o'-lantern face is all sequins, by the way. They have this really long pillow. I'm thinking that this would be best maybe on a bed across, you know, the top of your bed, because it's kind of big for a couch, I would say. And then they have this one too that says spooky and scary all over it. It's pretty cute. These skulls have a ton of detail. They have a floral print through them, and they're kind of pretty, but obviously creepy. They look a little dirty, kind of a cool vibe. I actually really like it. I also saw what I guess I would call a mantle scarf in 3 different patterns. You can just drape this over your mantle or really anywhere. You could do it on a console table or something like that. They definitely give that haunted house kind of witchy vibe if that's what you go for. And then they have the matching tablecloths. I think these are just lace though. Like you would need to put a solid tablecloth underneath it or put it on a really light table, or else it could be kind of hard to see. So they have these large foam carving pumpkins. These are just so old school to me because my mom, she still has a few of these from when we were very, very little, and she has repainted them a few different times. So if you have one of these that's really old or you come across them in a thrift store, you can actually repaint them and give them a new life. So I already showed all of this in my last video, which was a very quick sneak peek of what JoAnn's had at the beginning of the week, and obviously they've added more, but they did not have this wreath, so this is my first time seeing it. It says Happy Halloween, and it is a glitter bomb. There's glitter everywhere, but I do think it's pretty. They have a candy corn garland. This matches the candy corn wreath. A lot of people have told me either last year or this year that they are doing the candy corn theme or they love it. So I see this being an item that a lot of people go after. So if you like that one, I would keep your eye on it. And they also have the matching candy corn pick as well, if you would want to maybe do something on a smaller scale with the candy corn. So that's what's at my store for fall and Halloween so far. If we come back, I'll make sure to combine it with a few other stores so that we can just keep it moving and see everything as it comes out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you have not already, and make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss all of my fall and Halloween and Christmas decor videos that are to come. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye now.